Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting no licks in the band. Legacies.
Hi, I didn't see you there. So, hi guys, my name is Tyson and welcome to my video. Today we're gonna be opening two of these Blizzard's Cute But Deadly Series 2 figures. So the reason why I chose these specific is because Blizzard is one of the brands that has is my favorite game of all right now, Overwatch. In these boxes, there's 12 characters you can get. There's Bastion, Illidan, Tyrande, Raynor, Barbarian, Soldier 76, Nova, Tracer, Pharah, Anubis, Pharah, Treasure Goblin, and Rainbow Goblin. So my idea is, since it is a blind box, why not blind myself up and see what I get? So Trin, the camera girl, also Trin's account, will tie me up, make sure I can't see. Alright, now she will give me a box, and I will open it up. See this, guys? So, I'm feeling it, but I cannot tell who it is. Hey, is it Barbarian?
Wait, what do you think it is?
Barbarian, because I felt the horns.
You are correct.
Alright, so I now get this covered off.
Here.
This is a cool pack. Now, honestly, I don't know what this game is from, but I know that I will definitely put the case on and keep it in my room. This will stand as if it could stand. Alright, so we're gonna blind myself again and open the last one. Oh yeah, if you guys are watching this, I want to sponsor some few people. I want to sponsor Blizzard and one of my friends named Jay Boogie. Okay. Right now I have to open it. And I'm feeling it. Now this all feels pretty weird. And now Trin knows what I got and I will guess it. Oh, what does this start with?
This guy.
Pharah.
Open it.
Yes! Got it! Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to see more of these. I will be doing Overwatch broadcasts on my PS4 and I hope you guys enjoy those too. And other times I will give shout outs. Just letting you know, like the first one I will give right now, my friend Jay Boogie, like I said earlier on. Thank you. And bye-bye.